Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the phone to the computer with a data-capable USB cable. Turn on mobile data and open settings right arrow network, right arrow USB tethering. You may need to pull down the notification shade. If the option is grayed out, make sure the cable is seated and the phone is unlocked. Some devices require developer options active to change USB mode. Once done, check the phone shows tethering active, and the computer should attempt to obtain an IP address. You now confirm the computer recognizes the new interface and that it receives an IP. On Windows, enable the RRendis adapter and set IP4 to obtain address automatically. On Mac OS or Linux, ensure USB 0 or NX appears and DHCP runs. If the adapter shows as unknown, install the proper vendor or RRendis driver. This fixes many recognition issues. Once the interface has an IP from the phone, usually 192.168.x, test connectivity by pinging 8.8. You finish by validating DNS and application access. If ping works but browsing fails, change the computer DNS to 8.8.8 or 1.1.1.1. Make sure any VPN or firewall on either device is disabled for the test because those commonly block tethered traffic. If the connection still fails, reboot phone and computer, swap the USB cable or port, and re-enable tethering. Key troubleshooting tip: if the phone never offers tethering, check carrier restrictions and APN settings. Some carriers disable USB tether by policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.